In this video, we're going to be talking about how to become Uber Eats driver and sign up process. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open the application just like that and make sure that you are already logged in. Now, what you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the bottom right profile icon and scroll all the way down until you find earn by driving or delivering. Once you do that, then you'll need to be giving them a couple of information. So for example, where would you like to earn? Click on next. Once you do that, they're going to ask you for your vehicle information. So for example, what kind of vehicle do you have, whether it is a car, scooter, or bicycle. If it is a car, then it must be two-door or four-door, typically 1990 or newer. If it is a scooter or bike, it must be motorized scooter under 50cc or bicycle. When it comes to documents, then you'll need to be submitting your valid driver's license, your vehicle registration and insurance, your government issued ID or proof of work eligibility, and a profile photo. You will also need to be giving a consent to a background screening, which checks your criminal history and driving records. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to